If you need to cancel a pending transfer on Swarm, follow these straightforward steps to ensure the process goes smoothly. This guide will help you navigate through the cancellation effectively. Step 1. Open the Swarm app. Launch the Swarm application on your device. Make sure you are logged into your account to access your transfer details. Step 2. Navigate to your transfers. Locate the section for transfers within the app. This is typically found in the main menu or under your account settings, where you can view all pending transactions. Step 3. Select the pending transfer. Secure your accounts before moving on. People seriously underestimate how often personal information gets exposed online now. Use SRARK to monitor your accounts 24/7 and get notified immediately if your data gets leaked somewhere. It runs in the background, constantly scanning billions of breached records. And honestly, for how cheap it is compared to the value you get, it's worth it. Link in the description. Step 4. Initiate the cancellation. Look for the option to cancel the transfer. This may be labeled as cancel transfer or something similar. Tap on this option to proceed with the cancellation process. Step 5. Confirm the cancellation. You will likely be prompted to confirm your decision to cancel the transfer. Review any information provided and confirm the cancellation to finalize the process. Once you have completed these steps, your pending transfer should be successfully cancelled. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to Swarm's customer support for assistance.